Hi, in this demo, I will demonstrate how NextLabs SkyDRM integrates seamlessly with Siemens JT2GO. SkyDRM Desktop's trusted application feature enables seamless, out-of-the-box support for Siemens JT2GO, allowing users to view and work with protected files in accordance with their assigned usage rights. This integration enhances productivity and ensures secure access while maintaining an uninterrupted creative workflow. In this demo, the classification category has two labels: confidential and secret. Our policies are configured as follows. John Tyler from CipherEdge is granted full control on confidential files. For secret files, he has view and print permission with watermark obligation. Jimmy Carter from TechNova is granted view and screen capture permissions with a watermark obligation on confidential files. He has no access to secret files. We will use native Siemens JT2GO file types. .jt. Use case 1, CipherEdge users are granted view and print permission with a watermark on files protected with the secret label. In this use case, we will demonstrate the following. John Tyler signs into SkyDRM Desktop for Windows. John Tyler can open the secret labeled protected file in Siemens JT2GO, and view the file with watermark. John Tyler can print the file in JT2GO, because he has print permission. John Tyler is unable to capture the screen, because he does not have screen capture permission. John Tyler cannot copy content from the file in JT2GO, because he does not have extract permission. Now, let's move on to the demo. I am signed into SkyDRM Desktop for Windows as John Tyler from CipherEdge. Let's check the file information for secret.jt using SkyDRM view file info. Here, we see that the file classification is secret, and John Tyler has view and print permissions with a watermark. Now, let's open the secret.jt file with Siemens JT2GO. The file opens automatically in Siemens JT2GO with a visible dynamic watermark. Next, I will attempt to test the print function. As expected, the print dialog opens because John Tyler has the print permission. I will save print output as a PDF document, and save the file name as print permission, then click Save. As you can see, the print output is saved successfully as a PDF document. Now, I will try take a screen capture. As you can see, the screen is blacked out, because John Tyler does not have screen capture permission for this file. Similarly, when I attempt to copy content from the viewer to the clipboard using Ctrl+C to copy the content, I receive the message, "You don't have permission to perform copy content operation." This is because John Tyler does not have extract permission on this file. Now, let's move on to the next use case. Use case 2, CipherEdge users are granted full permissions on files protected with the confidential label. In this use case, I will demonstrate the following. John Tyler signs into SkyDRM Desktop for Windows. John Tyler can open the secret labeled protected file in Siemens JT2GO, and view the file with a watermark. John Tyler can print the file in JT2GO, because he has print permission. John Tyler is able to capture the screen, because he has screen capture permission. John Tyler can copy content from the file in JT2GO, because he has extract permission. Here, I am still signed into SkyDRM Desktop as John Tyler, and will navigate to the confidential.jt file. Let's check the file information using SkyDRM view file info. We see that the file classification is confidential, and John Tyler has full control on this file. I will attempt to open the confidential.jt file in Siemens JT2GO. As you can see, the file opens without a watermark. I will attempt to take a screen capture of the 3D workspace. As expected, the capture is successful without any restriction, since John Tyler has full permissions on the file. Next, I try the print capability. You can see that I am able to fully access print settings without any restriction. Let's save the print output as a PDF document, print permission test. Click Save, and we see that the print is successfully saved as a PDF document. Let's validate the copy content permission. I will use Ctrl+C to copy the content. As you can see, I am able to successfully copy data from the viewer. These behaviors are as expected, since John Tyler has full control for confidential files. Now, let's move on to the third use case. Use case 3, TechNova users are granted view and screen capture permission with a watermark on files protected with the confidential label. In this use case, I will demonstrate the following. Jimmy Carter signs into SkyDRM desktop for Windows. Jimmy Carter can open the confidential labeled protected file in Siemens JT2GO, and view the file with a watermark. Jimmy Carter cannot print the file in JT2GO, because he does not have print permission. Jimmy Carter is able to capture the screen, because he has screen capture permission. Jimmy Carter cannot copy content from the file in JT2GO, because he does not have extract permission. I am signed into SkyDRM desktop as Jimmy Carter from TechNova. I will navigate to the confidential.jt file, and check the file information using the SkyDRM view file info. As you can see, the file classification is confidential, and Jimmy Carter has view and screen capture permissions with a watermark. Now, let's open the file in Siemens JT2GO. The file opens successfully with the watermark displayed. Next, I will try to take a screenshot of this file. You can see that I am able to take a screenshot without any restriction, and the image is visible. This is because Jimmy Carter has screen capture permission on confidential files. However, when I attempt to print the file from the viewer, the action is restricted, and I receive the message, "You don't have permission to perform print operation." I will also attempt to copy the content using Ctrl+C. As you can see, I receive the notification, "You don't have permission to perform copy content operation." These behaviors are expected as Jimmy Carter does not have print and extract permission. Now, let's move on to the last use case. Use case 4. TechNova users are not granted any permission on files protected with the secret label. In this use case, I will demonstrate. Jimmy Carter signs into SkyDRM desktop for Windows. Jimmy Carter cannot open the secret labeled protected file in Siemens JT2GO, because he does not have any permission. I am logged into SkyDRM desktop for Windows, as Jimmy Carter. Let's check the file information for secret.jt file using the SkyDRM view file info. As you can see, the file classification is secret, and Jimmy Carter does not have any permission on this file. Now, let's open the file with Siemens JT2GO. As expected, the file cannot be opened, and the operation was immediately blocked with this access denied message, ensuring that highly sensitive data remains secure. With this, we conclude our demo on SkyDRM integration for Siemens JT2GO. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in learning more about secure collaboration using EDRM, please subscribe to the NextLabs channel and stay tuned for other videos on the topic.